Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Discord. So, to make yourself online, click here and just select online right here. So, online. And then, I am going to go to a Discord server. For instance, I want to talk to somebody. I'm just going to enter the voice channel. So join a voice channel by simply clicking on it. You can then, if somebody else is in the channel with you, right click, and there's gonna be like more than these options. You can choose to make their like audio smaller, but you can also mute yourself here. You can also deafen yourself here. You can also server mute and server deafen if you have the roles to do that. You can also check their profile here, I believe, and there's also this like noise suppression thing that you can enable or not. So I enable it, so when I clap my hands, they can't hear that. So like they can only hear your beautiful voice, as you can see here. You can also share your screen, turn on your camera, you can video call, and then once you're done, you're just going to select disconnect. You can message people in these text channels too. You can DM people on Discord. That's basically how you can use Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!